Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin. Bitcoin holding on, crypto pumping. Tesla dropped 5% yesterday. I couldn't find any major news why. You can see Bitcoin right now sitting at 60,000. We had sideways chop the last few, day, but it looks like it's forming a giant triangle here. I'll map it out on the technicals. Volume still strong. This was my biggest trade of the last 3 months. Nice. Crypto market cap 2.2 trillion. You can join everyone chatting in the Telegram chat. Also, Bitcoin price.live now 52,500 people. Fear, we're still in fear. Even though Bitcoin is sitting at 60,500, we're still in fear. Funding fee is going positive though, which is interesting. This is on the minute charts. You can see just a lot of chop. Bitcoin 60,600 down to 60,300 and just chopping around, but a lot of volume, huge volume, which is amazing. I'm going to jump in technicals for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I'll also read your comments and let me know in the comment section any tickers you'd like me to analyze. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the market and we see the market is Tesla was down 5%, Nasdaq 1.6%, Google, MCRT very slightly down, Ethereum slightly up, Bitcoin slightly up. Let's go into Bitcoin 60,600. I start on the weekly time frames. Stochastic coiling up, everyone. Stochastic coiling up. Squeeze mob going green. Very good news on the weekly charts. So stochastic, I teach you in the crypto master course, when it's up here, it's overbought, time to sell. When it's down here, oversold, time to buy. And when it starts to curl like this, it's very bullish. Also, squeeze mob is going from red to green. You can see it's flipped from red, turned gray towards heading to green. So a lot of nice news on the stochastic and squeeze mob on Bitcoin. You learn how to use those in the crypto master course, jamescryptoguru.com. We still have the same weekly patterns that I've been showing. Crypto Guru bot is still a blue buy, which it fired in 2023, and still a blue buy now at 20K, and it's still blue. You get it in the crypto master course as well. Bitcoin indicator bot did not yet fire a buy on the weekly. Let's go closer onto the daily. Stochastic on the daily heading up, coiling up, but there seems to be a divergence. Let's see if on the RSI we have the same divergence. RSI doesn't have the same divergence. Okay, interesting. Stochastic heading up. Okay, the pattern that I see here is important. We still have this bigger overall pattern, which is the descending broadening wedge. Looks like a megaphone, right? Like imagine you're speaking on a megaphone. It looks like this. And the way these work, descending broadening wedges, they build pressure, and break out 70% of the move. So it is coming time to a breakout. It's coiling here, stochastic heading up. Let's go close onto the 4-hourly. 4-hourly, there is a slight pattern here. This was a little bull flag with a smaller descending broadening wedge on the 4-hourly, and we already broke out of that. The target of this one would be, the target of this descending wedge is 70,000, everyone. 70,000 on this breakout of descending wedge. Also, I see in the shorter term time frame, let's go closer, you'll see it more clearly, inverse head and shoulders. Everyone see it? Shoulder, head, shoulder. So a lot of bullish patterns on Bitcoin, everyone. I'm not selling. This looks bullish to me. I would still try to catch a trade from major support. Easily can pull back like yesterday. It was down here, 58,600. Stop loss, 57,900. Take profit, I would set at 105, the longer term target. Risk to reward is 70 times, risking $686 to make $48,000 with no leverage. Where in the world can you risk $686 to make $48,000 with zero leverage? With 10x leverage, it's $480,000. With 100x leverage, 4.8 million profit. So again, you risk 686 with no leverage to make 48,000. The trade opens 58,600, stop loss 57,900, take profit 105k. I'm going to show you my trade and then we'll do Ethereum. Underneath the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit, you get a $60,000 bonus, and now they have a promo right now. Bybit is doing there's a new spot listing of a meme coin called Doge. deposit $100 into Bybit using the link down below, the first link to Bybit. Deposit $100, you receive up to 10 million dogs. So Bybit exclusive campaign, receive guaranteed dogs airdrop. Deposit $100 and receive up to 10 million dogs. Chance to earn 10 million dogs applicable to the first 10,000 users. Reward distribution on the 3rd of December. So anyone, if you use the link down below on the description under the video, the first link, you go and you deposit $100 into dogs, you get up to it's just deposit $100, right, into Bybit. Deposit $100, receive up to 10 million dogs. That's cool. The link is down below. Sign up to Bybit and you get a 60,000 bonus when you meet their trading requirements. Bing is my second favorite, Binance third favorite exchange. Take the crypto master course to learn stochastic squeeze mob indicator, learn how to set them up on your charts, take the crypto master course to also get the Bitcoin indicator bot, etc. And then join us in the Telegram. There's 9,000 of you in that Telegram and a few hundred of you anytime online. Let's go into my trades on Bybit. My account is $600,904, which is beautiful. This week's been very nice. This week, 576, 580. Then I made 568. So it's made $20,000, I would say, this week. From the low of 568, so it's about $33,000 this week. It went up $1,000 just now. $33,000 this week, which is beautiful. My Bitcoin trade, it's trying to break out right now. I'm going to keep long because it looks like a giant bull flag. And look where I sold Bitcoin before the drop at 66. I warned everyone. Then I bought the bottom, and now my trade is positive 16,500. Yesterday it was positive 20,000, so still amazing. It's a $316,000 trade, and the funding fee now has gone positive. So I started paying 0.01 fee, so it's about $50 a day in funding fees. This account 601,000. My breakdown of the assets of this account is Uniswap 13%, USDT 20%, Bitcoin 29%. So I'm mostly Bitcoin, Doge 14%, Doge pumped, MCRT 13%, World. That's my breakdown. Let's check out Ethereum and Doge, and I'm going to check out your questions. 2,600 on Ethereum. On the hourly bull flag, I see straight away. Let's go into the weekly first. Weekly time frame. Well, that was such a strong support. I bought at exactly 2,000 on that drop, 2,098. I managed to get Ethereum there. I need to clean up these charts and these previous Elliott waves counts to get a better view. I would say get rid of this. That was a major support. Here is a major support. Here we're already sitting on right now. So the trade I had set up yesterday was 2,500 to open, 2,461, stop loss 2,359 on the weekly. Stochastic oversold on the weekly and volume increasing. So Ethereum is going to go on a run, everyone. Ethereum, this is my Elliott wave count on Ethereum, everyone. So we have the first impulse, first to second correction, which is happening right now. Second to third impulse will be the biggest. So my target is 3,600. So if you haven't taken a trade, I would take it off major support here. So opening at 2,513, stop loss 2,474, and take profit at the target, which is 4,700. Risk toward 57 times. Risking $39 to make $2,200 with no leverage. 10x leverage, 2,000 is $22,000 of profits. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. So again, it opens at 2,513, stop loss 2,471. Let's get rid of my old Elliott wave count just to keep it clean. This was the ABC correction, which we've now finished, and this is the new Elliott wave count, which we are on. And it looks quite ready to go, Ethereum. Let's check out your comments, and then I want to see if hopefully someone requests Doge. James, it's forming shoulder, head, shoulder, surely. Inverse head and shoulder, in my opinion, which is bullish in the shorter time frame. Hey, James, love your work and energy. Thanks to you, I've been having more successful trades. Would love to see your TA on Rio. It's an RWA project. I had some Rio, actually. James, you're a genius. So Rio is one request. Thank you for your videos. Can you do TA on Sui? Sui was asked before. Hello, where is... I want to do Doge. Doge is going to pump to $2.20. Let's do Doge, everyone. I'll try and do Rio and Sui as well. Trump is the people's president. Trump is a scam. You don't know him like we do. It's all about him. At the end, I have morals, even though I like crypto. For me, I just want a real president that is not puppet, like just a puppet of some hidden group. You know what I mean? So let's do Doge, Sui. I'll try and do Doge. Doge was up yesterday, had a pump, then it pulled back a little bit. Doge weekly looks like ready to go, stochastic oversold. So now we're on Doge, descending triangle, builds pressure, breaks out. Doge is ready to go, everyone. My target of this descending triangle is 19 cents. The trade that I'll take is 0.09, stop loss 0.092. 0.094 is the open, but it looks like it's ready to go. Stochastic turning up, volume, maybe you have a little bit of a pullback, but stochastic oversold on the weekly and heading up, and daily. We just need a volume spike, but you can clearly see this big descending wedge. Again, builds pressure, breaks out, target 19 cents. That's the trade I'll take on Doge. Doge is ready to go. Bitcoin and Doge look ready to go, which is interesting. Let's read more of your comments. Trump is the people's president. Congratulations, brother. When you have Bybit giveaway, I need to organize it. Good morning from India. Good morning to you, Pankit. Everyone, share your country and your flag. It's about time over 100 million gets taxed. The super wealthy have been getting a free ride for too long. Don't allow greed to destroy American democracy. Douglas, that's a bad take. Capitalism is what got America to where it is now. To take hundreds of millions of dollars from the rich, the entrepreneurs in America, and give that more to, they're thinking about 48 to 56% tax. Do you understand what that means? That means if you make $1 million, you have to give $560,000 to the government. So what they're planning is to take all this money from all these big entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, these great capital allocators, and give it to government bureaucrats who've been getting so much money, put the American deficit into $38 trillion. They have no experience in business. They have no experience ever having a job. They're government bureaucrats. They've never hired anyone. So to take this money from these great capital allocators like Elon Musk and entrepreneurs and to give it to these bureaucrats is crazy. If you're American and you're thinking of letting that happen, it's crazy. It's communism, everyone. To take from everyone, the wealthy, and give it to the government to distribute to the people, that's communism. America became great because of free capitalism, because entrepreneurs could build great things for the world. And that's what made America great. That's what pulled the whole world out of poverty, free capitalism. And since pretty much George W. Bush and Obama, they've put it into communism, massive taxes, wars everywhere, the government controlling the narrative, controlling what you see on mainstream media. It's crazy. You don't want that. You don't want to take money from these great entrepreneurs who allocate it greatly and create amazing companies and value free capitalist markets, which is what built America, and turn it into communism to take from these great entrepreneurs, give it to the government. They're on $38 trillion worth of debt. They're terrible capital allocators. You really don't want that. It's very important. Let's read more of your comments. Manipulation predicts price is very manipulated Bitcoin. What is the best way to make profit from crypto investing with occasional loss? Take the courses, learn everything. I think you've changed your saying to manipulation predicts price. It's quite funny. Let's go into Twitter. On Twitter, I have 86,800 followers now. I had 87,000, but somehow I'm slightly shadow banned. My Uniswap trades were perfect. Look at this. My Uniswap, when I sold Uniswap at $7.50, and then bought Uniswap at $3.60, and now we're back at $7. That was a great trade. 6,700 you have saw it. Check out this post. MCRT ecosystem is the future of Web3 gaming. Magicraft is set to redefine Web3 gaming by positioning MCRT as the heart of every gamer's journey.
My mother once told me. My mother once told me. In the wild, there's no room for hesitation. Hunt or be hunted. I've never forgotten those words. And now, every arrow I release carries her voice. Do you feel the same?
MCRT Magicraft is PC, iOS, Android, Steam, amazing, great work, team. And you can see this is the first blockchain game that's cross-playable, play-to-earn gaming. So you earn crypto by playing. And you can see now we've got total lobbies 78,000, total users almost 22,000, total pledge 56 million. The team is building great tech. My Bitcoin trade 1,500. We got it at 48k on that drop, which is amazing. Guys, look at my Bitcoin trade where I sold Bitcoin at 66k, where I bought Bitcoin at 48k. The funding fee is negative. I'm getting paid to keep this trade open. My trade now is $18,954 in the profits, and I'm getting paid. Look at my buys on Uniswap, all the way down. Uniswap, great trades. Also, I wanted to show you this post. It was a vote by Elon Musk, everyone. Tesla dropping yesterday. Since a lot of people have asked, he goes super unspecific poll. I want to show this because they're going to try and fake it like they did last election with Biden. It wasn't true. No one voted for him. Since not 81 million people, since a lot of people asked, he goes a super unspecific poll. Who will you vote for? 73% Trump, 27% Kamala Harris, 5.8 million votes. And then you watch, when the vote actually comes, it's going to be like 50-50 or Trump 30% and Kamala 70%, some bullshit, which is interesting. USDT, everyone, this is very important. USDT go burr. I shared this yesterday. The target of the third wave is 211 billion. How high the third wave goes is unknown. The third wave is always bigger than the first, more than 200 billion. Fifth wave is unknown until the third wave finishes. It looks like it's going to be crazy for the crypto markets. And don't forget, join us in Telegram underneath the video. There's 108 of you online, and you can just see each other, everyone sharing charts, inverse head and shoulders. I showed that just now on Bitcoin. This one's on Solana, inverse head and shoulders he's showing as well. Pumping out. You can just see descending wedge, everyone sharing charts. Great charting, everyone. Amazing. That's showing everything. Again, all the links are down below, and you can claim that $100. If you deposit $100 into the first link on Bybit in my description, you get up to 10 million airdrop of dogs, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let me know in the comments any questions you have. Let me know which country you are and your flag, any tickers you'd like me to analyze. I'll try and do Sui and Solana in the next videos. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.